Alright, so back up the cabin, and today's plan is to get another one of those windows in there. I've already started framing it, so I'm going to put another window straight in there, and then I'm going to start moving all of the stuff that's in the back to the front, so that I can start cleaning up that back, start gutting that out, and getting rid of all the mice nests back there and ripping it right down to the studs. So got this window framed in. I'm going to cut it out now and then get the window in. So that's the plan for today. It's going to rain. We definitely have thunderstorms coming in. So if I can get that done, it'll be a good day. Alright, got the window in. A few issues with the framing on this one. The way that they framed this, they really didn't secure the sheathing very well on the outside of the house, or the cabin, shack, whatever this was intended to be. But so I got it all squared away now. I got the window in, and now the fun part. Moving all of that to this end of the cabin so I can start getting rid of all those walls and the inevitable mice nests that are going to be in the walls. So take a quick lunch break and then come back. It actually looks like it's going to clear up, so hopefully I'll be able to get a lot more done today than I expected. But yeah, so pretty good. I got the window in and I'm pretty happy at this point. So cool. That's right, got the fire going again, so you know what that means. More mice nests. Yeah, I just started ripping apart the other side of the cabin, and it is just like I expected, full of mice nests. So I will be eradicating them over the next couple hours. If I can beat the tornado warnings that we've got. We've got some heavy thunderstorms coming in, so at least I'm doing work inside the cabin instead of outside the cabin. Back to the mess. Alright, so I got the other end of the cabin cleared out. It adds about 8 feet to the cabin, so I'm going to try and keep it. It is newer construction. There was some water damage. I think I can mitigate that. Now that I have all the drywall out, someone in their ultimate wisdom thought it was a good idea to put drywall on a cabin in the woods, but that's out, and I have one more little section to clear, and then all of the rat's nests will be gone, the mice nests will be gone. I got my other window in, you know, so I call today a success, and that's it for now. Remember, a simple life's an easy life. Enjoy your small cabin living.